practice rolling over from our back to our front. From our back to our front. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my hands right underneath the armpits, not too hard, just nice and loose. I can bring her back onto my shoulder, very nice. Then I'm just going to take my hands and I'm going to lift up and rotate onto the front. Okay, so we're going to do it 3 times. You ready? 1, 2, 3, ready, go. On her back. And we're going to roll over and put our face down. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. And back on our back. Good. Second time. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Back. And our back. One more. 1, 2, 3, ready, go.